Good morning, students. So in our previous online classes, we already learned about the sentence, and for fifth standard, I have gave you exercise. So did you complete that exercise? Exercise 1 of the sentence. If you have any difficulties, then you just ask me on call. You can call me. You have my number already. So now for today, we are learning for 5th standard and 6th standard together, okay? Because this is English grammar. So in English grammar, for 5th standard and 6th standard have same syllabus. So I am taking together in this class, okay? So first of all, now we are learning about kinds of sentences, okay? Kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences, and that is first statement और assertive sentence और declarative sentence. मीन्स ये जो तीनों है ये एक ही है, उसको statement भी कहते हैं, and then assertive sentence also, and then declarative sentence also. Then second is interrogative sentence, means question. Okay, interrogative sentence means question, and then third is imperative sentence, and fourth is exclamatory sentence. These are the 4 kinds of sentences. You understand? Now we are learning about first statement or assertive sentence or declarative sentence. See. Now what is assertive sentence or declarative sentence? The definition is a sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called a declarative sentence. Means ऐसा sentence जिसमें सिर्फ क्या होता है, एक स्टेटमेंट, जैसे हम कुछ कहते हैं एक हर चीज तो वो बन जाता है स्टेटमेंट. देयर इज नो क्वेश्चंस और रिक्वेस्ट और एडवाइस, देयर इज सिंपल सेंटेंस, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टेटमेंट और assertive sentence or declarative sentence. For example, Milton wrote a book called Paradise Lost. I am telling you an example of statement. Milton wrote a book called Paradise Lost. This is book's name, so you have to write first letter capital, okay? Full stop. So you can see this sentence example. Milton wrote a book called Paradise Lost. मतलब मिल्टन ने बुक लिखा, कौन सा, जिसे कहते हैं Paradise Lost. It's just a simple sentence. It is just telling you that Milton wrote a book called Paradise Lost. So it is called statement or assertive sentence or declarative sentence. I am giving you one more example of 6th standard. That is, this train runs very fast. See, this train runs very fast. Full stop. What does it mean? This train runs very fast. Means ये जो ट्रेन है वो बहुत ही फास्ट दौड़ती है. इसका मतलब, so it is a simple sentence. They are just telling us that the train runs very fast. So it is called statement or assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Do you understand? Just try to make sentences of your own also at home. Okay? Now, a statement can be an affirmative or negative then. जो स्टेटमेंट होता है या फिर असर्टिव सेंटेंस और डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस, ये किस तरह का हो सकता है? असर्टिव हो सकता है, मींस पॉजिटिव, और नेगेटिव आल्सो. जैसे यहाँ पे है दिस ट्रेन रन्स वेरी फास्ट, तो इसका हम नेगेटिव कैसे बनाएंगे? दिस ट्रेन डज नॉट रन वेरी फास्ट. इस तरह से इसका नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बन जाता है, और ये जो है ये ऑलरेडी असर्टिव सेंटेंस You understand? Now, second is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. So in your previous class, you know that interrogative sentence means question. Lot of students have confused that what is interrogative sentence. But it is simple a question. Whatever you ask, that is called question and that is interrogative sentence. You understand? जैसे मैं पूछ रही हूँ, what is your name? So what is your name is interrogative sentence. You understand? It is very simple. So a sentence, इसकी definition क्या है? A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. It is very simple. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Okay. For example, what did he do? And then give question mark. In interrogative sentence, question mark is very important. If you do not give question mark, then it is incomplete sentence and you will get cutted marks in your examination. Okay, so please don't forget to give question mark in interrogative sentence. Second example is, where are you going? Where are you going? And then question mark. Okay, this is interrogative sentence. You understand about the interrogative sentence then? Now we are going to third sentence, kinds of sentence, which is called imperative sentence. What is that? Imperative sentence. Third kind is imperative sentence. Okay, this is third kind. What is imperative sentence then? A sentence that expresses or represents a request, an order or an advice is called an imperative sentence. ऐसा sentence जो हमें क्या दिखाता है? Request and order or advice. For examples, in classroom you have to take permission of your teacher, right? What will you say to come in class? You say, may I come in, teacher? Okay, so may I come in is a request, so it is called imperative sentence. Okay, and then your teacher gives order to you. What will they say? Sometimes don't make noise. Okay, so don't make noise is order and it is also imperative sentence. And then advice, जैसे कोई एडवाइस देता है आप लोगों को, जैसे यू शुड स्टडी हार्ड, आप लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए? कड़ी मेहनत करनी चाहिए. सो यू शुड स्टडी हार्ड इज एडवाइस एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड imperative sentence. You understand? I'm giving you examples. जैसे come here, क्या है ये? imperative sentence. ये क्या है? Order है. What is this? This is order. And then this is please keep your head cool. Second example. Okay. Please keep your head cool. Full stop. Please keep your head cool. What is this now? Is this order or request or advice? This is request. This is request. Okay. Now third example I am giving you. एडवाइस लिखेंगे हम, जैसे you should not cut the tree. Full stop. You should not cut the tree. What is this now? This is called advice. Understand? Advice means in imperative sentence it can be order, request and advice. You understand? So today we have learned about three kinds of sentences. First is assertive or declarative sentence or statement. Second is interrogative sentence and third is imperative sentence. Okay. So next part we will take in next class. Thank you.